Welcome everybody, it's another video by your boy Crypto Weapon, and we're back again showcasing another platform called Octa Quant. Now remember guys, this is your one-stop channel for all your crypto information with regards to all the projects that are out in the DeFi space at the moment, and we will showcase and break down each of the projects thoroughly, leaving you with nowhere else to go for any details and information regarding the crypto projects. Right guys, let's get into this Octa Quant project. Now this is again a crypto trading investment platform that pays 3 to 4.25% a day for 8 days. Now this project was only launched a day ago and is growing very nicely with a TVL of over 30,000 in just one day. Never mind its good looking project stats and increasing user base, Octa Quant platform is showing itself as an easy to navigate platform. And again guys, the payouts are fixed between 3 to 4.25 per day for 8 days, with the withdrawals being, wait for it, instant. Now guys, you could obviously let your funds build up before you withdraw, or you could withdraw daily, each to their own. I currently have $300 in this platform at 3% a day for 8 days, which means I can withdraw 3% of my investment daily for 8 days, and after the 8 days I'll receive my $300 investment back, at which point I could invest or pull the funds out of the platform completely. Now something to note, there is a 20% withdrawal fee. While withdrawals are instant, you can deposit using multiple currencies, the popular cryptocurrencies including Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, USDT, etc. Now guys, I do urge you to stick around for the rest of the video where we'll go through Octa Quant, the dashboard, my account, and we'll go through everything you need to know about the project. And of course, if you do feel that this is something that you'd like to check out, the link of this project will be in the description below and you can sign up yourself. Now guys, if you are new to the channel, this is Crypto Weapon, where we look to showcase all the latest projects, as I've mentioned earlier before. We're just obviously looking to grow the platform. We're currently at 174 subscribers, so I would definitely appreciate if you do like and subscribe, and we will obviously continue to put out content for you from the channel Crypto Weapon. Now without further ado guys, let's look at the physical platform itself. Now if we scroll down here, we can see the packages that I'm involved in and the packages that are available to you. To start off with, you've got a package here that is 3% a day for 8 days, minimum deposit of $40 and a maximum deposit of $499. You will receive 3% for 8 days, and on the 8th day you will obviously receive your deposit. And this is the platform that I've gone in with. There is a calculator to help you calculate your investment. I went in with 300, so I will receive 9 USD every day. Weekly, it calculates that for you as well at 63, and monthly you'll receive 270. If we move across to this advanced package, the only difference, instead of 3%, you will receive 350% daily. The minimum is 500 for this, with a maximum of 4,999. And lastly, for the big boys, there is a deluxe package with a minimum of 5,000, a maximum of 15,000. In this package, you'll receive 4.25% every day, and again, at the end of the 8 days, you will receive your capital back. Now guys, looking at this platform, it's only been around for a day. The TVL, as I mentioned before, has broken the 30,000 barrier. There are 160 counts, and the withdrawal total is only 1,158. So now there is a referral, like there is in all DeFi projects nowadays. For directs, you'll get 4%. If you direct invite someone else, you'll get 2.5, and if that second line direct invite someone else, you'll get 1.5 of their investment. Now that is the ins and outs of the projects guys. I'm now going to log into the platform and you will look at what is going on the inside. Now guys, to log into the platform, you want to click on this lock that's on the side, and then obviously your credentials to log in will start from this page. Now if you have not registered, you would click register. There is a bit of information that you need to input, of course your personal details, your name, your login information, username, and type in your password twice. And also what you'd have to do here is input your crypto address, and I use TRC20, so that would be the address in which all your withdrawals would go to. In my case, I'll simply log in because I've already completed registration. Right, so this is the dashboard that showcases an overview of the platform. So of course here you've got your name, and you've got the deposit amount that I have of $300 in there. If you scroll down, the platform, you'll be able to see my latest deposit, and that's the active deposit. When I do earn any profit from the platform, you'll be able to see it here. Pending withdrawals will be there, and so your withdrawal total. Now, the top dashboard, if you want to make a deposit, you could either click here or you could click here to make a deposit. If you want to make a withdrawal, on the right side, you're able to click withdraw there. And secondly, you can withdraw up top your deposits. I'm sure this will just indicate the deposit that I've made and the date when I made the deposit, which is clearly here. We've got 3% for the package that I have chosen. It tells you a date of when the package will expire, which would be 7 days and 13 hours, as I've only got into the platform today. The various plans, if I had deposited in this plan, meaning I would have deposited over $500, it would show my deposit in this plan. And if I deposited over $5,000, my plan would reflect in the deluxe section. Now, deposit history, earning history again, we do not have any earning history, and we expect to earn in less than 24 hours time. It'll all reflect there. Edit your account, your referrals, that's anyone you brought along with you to the platform. Security, guys, now I do urge you guys to automatically update your security and pop in get your 2FA set up. Now I've got my 2FA set up, and I'll look to strengthen my 2FA in this area. And just for my own security, guys, do remember this is the wild west, and things can go bad very quickly in these platforms. Guys, back to your account. I think this is predominantly everything with the account. It's very simplistic. Referral links is just over here if you're looking to refer anyone in the platform. There's not much else to explain with this platform besides, again, I will repeat, you get, obviously with the packages, you get 3% to 4.25 instantly. You get your payments instantly, and remember, guys, your capital will not be paid out to you every day like other projects. You will then have your capital released to you at the end of the 8 days, at which point you can choose whether to reinvest your capital, or you can obviously withdraw your capital from the platform. Now, guys, I'm going to wrap this up. This is a brand new platform. The TVL is growing very nicely, as I've explained. If you're interested in the platform, please look in the description for the link and see if you can set yourself up and see how that goes. This platform obviously has just opened and started a day ago. Take your time, guys, to use due diligence. I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice, but I am showcasing the platforms that I am rolling the dice in, and this Octa Quant is one of them. I'm happy to be in this platform. I've obviously managed to get into this platform very early, and we'll see how it goes. Now, on that note, guys, do like, subscribe, and let's get to that 200 mark in subscribers. As far as I'm concerned, guys, this is all you need to know about this platform, and this is what I am doing in this platform. I will see you